Ugaruruku wa riera kumana na uthukangia wa maria maturigicĩirie ni undu utigite icigo iria itakinyagirwo ni mbura ya kuigana ihinyiririkite makiria, na riu ritana nirikitio kuri thukuru iria iri icigo-ini ta ici iria itakinyagirwo ni mbura ya kuigana kaunti-ini ya Laikipia kwambiriria kuhuthira njira cia kiriu cia kugetha mai. Akiaria ari thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Ausonyiro wa dini ya Segera, Laikipia ya Rugongo, murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuhitana na ng'aragu Hared Adan augite mambiriirie kunyitanira na mathukuru niguo kuhitana na moritu maria marikuo kumana na ucenjia wa riera.
This is one of the countries that we have partnered in terms of to address the issue of climate change, where we are partnering with 69 schools. And in these schools, we have planted the 5,000 trees. So, and this is one of the schools that benefited from that program that we did just before the rains. So today we are here to meet 100 teachers from a number of schools from this county, where we have supported to see the progress on our initiative to address the issue of climate change, but also to see what are the lessons we learned from the exercise that we did in the previous partnership.
Adan augite gukinyaniria na riu ni maheanite matangi 81 ma mai thukuru-ini itiganite mwena uyu, na muoroto wa arutwo mathomithio kurima na mai manini niguo gutigirira mari na irio cia kuigana, kuria ningi mathomithitio uhandi wa miti ya matunda.
Sisi tunaomba katika area hii ya Segera mchukue zile miradi ambaye mnapatiwa, mchukue kwa mikono miwili.
Ni furaha nyingi kwangu kuona kwamba ile miche ambayo tulipanda over 97% ya hiyo miche imekomaa sasa, na in the next 3 or 4 months itakuwa watoto watakuwa wakipata matunda kwa mashule.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.